Seriously? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I have a broken windshield. Let's take a peek. I don't know if you can see that coming through or not, but got a big old crack on my windshield right there. That sucks. Well, you can see it starts at the corner by the windshield wiper, and then it runs up the windshield all the way up. Sorry that it's blurry, my camera doesn't want to focus there. Runs right up to that point. So it is 2 feet long or so. I don't know if you can see. So as you can see, my windshield is stress cracked from the corner kind of leading up. It's not in my line of sight. It's on the passenger side. Kind of weird. I just got up this morning and it was there. So I'm going to call American Family, and that's my insurance company, and get the ball rolling to get a new windshield. So we'll see how it goes.
For calling All-Star Auto Glass. All agents are currently busy. Please hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received. Thank you.
The Safe Flight Family, this is Miranda speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm returning a phone call regarding the windshield that needs to be replaced on my Tesla Model 3. My name is Matthew Shoemaker.
All right. May I have your phone number, Matthew?
That's correct.
Is there any other numbers you may have given them?
Nope, that's it.
Gotcha. Do you have a work order number?
Nope, wasn't given that.
Okay. Did they email you anything at all?
Nope, they called. I mean, like literally 60 seconds ago. I was just on the other line at the time.
Okay. Can I ask why they called? Did they leave a voicemail?
Yeah, I called my American Family Insurance agent about windshield's broken in my car, so you guys were returning the call about replacing the windshield, and I just couldn't get to the phone in time.
Okay. So were they looking just to get you scheduled, or?
I'm assuming. The voicemail was basically, this is Safe Flight Auto Glass. We're calling in regards to the message left with your American Family agent about your windshield. Please call us back. That was basically all it was.
Okay. May I have your zip code? Thank you. All right. So I'll go ahead and get you in contact with that shop, since they'll probably be able to speak to this a lot better than I can.
Okay.
They'll be right with you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, I'm calling to schedule the windshield replacement for my car. My American Family agent put me in touch with you guys, and then you guys called and left a voicemail. We're kind of bouncing messages back and forth here.
Okay. Just give me 1 moment.
Okay.
Customers know they can expect.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm calling to schedule the windshield replacement for my car. This is through American Family Insurance.
Yes, sir. I can absolutely help you with that. You said
American Family Insurance?
Okay, sir. So to ensure proper authorization, billing, and completion of your claim, may I place you on a brief hold so I can connect you with the representative who can complete your claim?
Sure.
Okay, can you remind me your first name, please?
Yes, my name is Matthew.
Matthew. Okay, thank you. Already, Mr. Matthews in the line.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Lexi, and I'm from the American Family Glass Program. And so I do apologize to hear that you have some glass damage, but I'll be happy to assist you creating a claim today.
Okay.
So may I get your first name?
My name is Matthew Shoemaker.
Matthew Shoemaker. Can you spell your last name for me, please?
It is Shumaker.
Thank you. And are you the policy holder on the policy?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, well, we'll definitely get you scheduled with them at the end then. And so, Mr. Shoemaker, what would be the best phone number I could reach you at? And what is the year, make, and model of your vehicle?
2018 Tesla Model 3.
I have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. And may I have your email address? That way I can send you this information once we finish up. Okay, so there we go. Mr. Shoemaker, I'm showing that you have a $250 deductible, so please be prepared to pay that amount to the glass shop.
Okay.
Okay, and we're using Safe Flight, so let me type that in here. Yeah. Let me see here. It actually won't let me schedule online here, just because it says, like, normally it will, but I think it's because of what kind of vehicle you're in.
Well, that was,
or what kind.
yeah, that was going to be my next question. I know there's hundreds of thousands, there's 500,000 of these cars out there, but there can't be a huge number of windshields broken yet.
Yeah. It says here, due to your vehicle type, we want to connect you to the local shops directly so that we can ensure that parts needed are readily available. So that means that basically, yeah, not a lot of windshields have been needed to be replaced on this vehicle.
Right.
So what I can do is I can give them a call for you, and then I can place you on a hold. I'll give them just a little bit of information. That way they're just not completely in the dark.
Okay.
And then I can bring them line so that they can actually tell you their schedule about when they can order it and get it in and stuff.
Sounds great.
Good morning, American Family. This is Melissa.
Hello, Melissa. This is Matt calling back.
Hi there.
Hello. Safe Flight doesn't work on Tesla. They said it has to go.
They don't.
No, they said it has to go to Tesla directly.
Okay. That's weird. Did we know that the last time you had one?
Well, I didn't have a
was that
windshield
a-
replaced. They just fixed a nick.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make a note here at the office. Okay.
All right. So what's the next step?
Good to know.
Do I bring it into Tesla and then you guys reimburse me for all but my deductible, or what happens?
That's a great question. I think, I would look to our claims specialist to tell us that. Do you want me to do a little research and call you back, or do you want me to try to
Sure.
conference our claim center on the phone?
Well, I mean, you can
tell
do some
me,
research. It's not urgent. Like I said before, it's on the passenger side. It doesn't obstruct my view at all. So it's not like I gotta have it done. Not a big deal.
Right. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let me see, because I'm kind of thinking that what they might have you do is create a claim through American Family, and then give the claim number to Tesla.
Okay.
That way, Tesla can get paid the balance after deductible. But let me do a little research for you, and I can let you know.
All right. Yeah. I mean, if I have to pay the whole thing and then get reimbursed for the everything beyond my deductible, I'm fine with that. I just need to be assured, absolutely, positively, that will happen, because my guess is it's probably $1,000 job.
Okay.
Tesla
Yeah.
stuff's not
Let me see how they want it done.
Cool.
And then I'll get back to you.
Awesome. Thanks, Melissa.
All right. No problem. All right. Bye.
Bye-bye. Well, there you go. What I didn't get on camera was my phone rang and I answered it, and it was Safe Flight saying, "Oh, we don't. Turns out we don't do Teslas. It has to go to the factory directly." And so I was unable to turn my camera on. Just the phone rang quickly, so I wanted to turn it on before I called American Family back. So I will keep you guys posted and let you know what comes of it.
But normally you pay out of pocket, and then send us the bill or the final invoice or your receipt for reimbursement, less any deductible if you have one.
Gotcha. Yeah, I have a $250 deductible, and I kind of figured that would happen. I'm just concerned that I just want to make absolutely sure that it is actually going to be covered.
Right. The only thing, I tend to be a little honest to a fault. The only things we don't pay for is, well, obviously your deductible if you have one. We don't pay for any shop supplies or hazardous waste removal. But like with Teslas, after the windshield's replaced, they normally have to do a recalibration. That's all labor. So there shouldn't be any hazardous waste removal or shop supplies for that. And then Safe Light Solutions is our glass program, and they set up claims for us. And I think what it may happen, or what the confusion was, is they can set up a claim for you, and the shop that was picked, though, is a shop that doesn't do, which is why there is a problem, is the shop that is in the system for where you're going doesn't do Teslas.
Gotcha.
But if the dealership's name was in there, then we would send a work order to the Tesla dealership if that's where you end up going.
Gotcha.
And some people will have their glass work done at one place and say have it go through insurance, and then they'll have the recalibration, with you having all the sensors, the backup cameras, the lane deviation, that's what requires the recalibration after your windshield's replaced.
Okay.
To say you're going to do that at the dealership, because my understanding is the equipment to do that's a little on the spendy side, plus the dealership's going to have all the specs.
Well, I can just go through the dealership, and Tesla of Highland Park is where the dealership I use. It was actually in there a couple of weeks ago, just having a rust spot taken care of on one of the fenders, a minor little warranty issue. And so I've gotten to know the guys there anyway. So do you want me to just go ahead and schedule the windshield replacement with them, and then bring in I'll pay for it, and then I'll bring in the invoice to my local American Family office and submit it that way?
That would be awesome. That's the simplest and the quickest.
Okay, cool.
And like I said, I can assure you, like I said, that like I said, you will get reimbursed less those three things, and any non-claim related work.
Gotcha.
Which is obvious.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys heard it. This will be an interesting situation. So I'm going to go onto the app and put in a request for service, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, Dennis will be my service advisor. He was the individual that handled my car when they took care of the little rust spot on the fender for me. So yeah, we will just continue with the process and see how it goes. So far, got the appointment scheduled. I've dealt with the insurance, and when I went onto the app, the first that I could get in to Tesla was right before the new year, so it'll be after Christmas. So I initially wanted to do this all as one video, but I wanted to, it's such a long wait that I wanted to get this part of the video out to you guys soon enough that you can just get a feel for what's going on, that it's not necessarily very easy and straightforward to have a windshield replaced on a Tesla. And what, as you overheard on the phone, that I'm going to have to pay for the repair up front and then submit the bill to my insurance company for reimbursement, which shouldn't be a problem. I've had American Family for many years, and they've always been wonderful to deal with. So I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes. It's vehicle ownership, 65,000 miles. This kind of thing is bound to happen. So, but the crack on my windshield is definitely not an impact. It's a stress crack going from the corner of the windshield up. So anyway, that's that. And I will, as I said before, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you know what the windshield cost, and did they have to have the car for a period of time, or was I able to just wait and have it done, and that kind of thing. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Take it easy now. Bye-bye.